walls replaced Main Street family stores. Along highways, asphalt shores. In every state, like they were once British immigrant outposts. 13 Mad Colonies English settlers betrayed both Native Americans. And on highways, asphalt shores. In every state, but they were once British immigrant outposts. 13 Mad Colonies English settlers betrayed both Native Americans and their home country, the crown. They made the Spanish pound and French too. Our founding fathers decided that instead of peasants, they would use slaves to farm and new migrants for low factory wages. Most would own less than many. Serfs stayed in the Middle Ages. From the northern rocky coast to the southern sandy shore, 13 little clusters of rap, not utopias of Thomas More. Each one had its story, each turned anti-Tory and made the revolution. Traders gave contribution to the new republic, which eventually would replace the British Empire. Massachusetts, Rhode Island, New Hampshire's forest true, Connecticut, Coventry, sky so blue, New York and New Jersey, side by side, Pennsylvania's fields stretching far and wide, Delaware small but proud and free, Maryland shores by the Chesapeake Sea, Virginia's hills and Carolina's pear, North and South with a rebel flair, Georgia peach trees, streets like 13 colonies, conspirators alike. Colonists farmed and traded, they prayed and they dreamed. Some were pioneers of freedom, some cracked and schemed, some leaders act the same. And when new taxes came, they whipped liberty and stoked the flame. Founding fathers were kings, but with different names. African slaves had chains, European migrant masters, most were racist, even pastors. From Boston's port to the Venice breeze, they wrote their fate on parchment leaves. Fucking 13 colonies bound by design. What a wicked unlucky number. 13 stars on blue but bright. Lightning strikes in the night. Franklin's kite. From colonies to states, they became united in violence in freedom's name.